Welcome to my computer screen. What we see here is a drawing of some steel table legs that I'm going to build for you in the following few minutes. I want to start by saying thanks for watching already and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Okay, so let's talk about the design a little bit. This is not an original design by me. It was given to me by the person I'm making them for, which is a shop which is pretty local to me. Fairly straightforward design, although there are some pieces of it that present somewhat of a unique challenge. It's going to be 28 inches tall, 20 inches wide with a taper. This included angle down here is 55 degrees. I think this one's 100 and something, but really the issue is this angle down here. Now normally I would miter the joint where you would have the weld seam running right down here. Unfortunately, that's a very acute angle, and I don't have the ability to cut that on anything repeatable. I'd have to cut it with an angle grinder, which would suck. So what I'm going to do instead is I'm going to leave this piece all the way down, cap it, and then cut this sort of cross member angle into it and just weld it on the side. And I think that will be easier, and with a little work with an angle grinder and a flap disc, it won't you won't notice. It won't look bad by any stretch. That's about all I have to say about the design. Again, fairly straightforward. We're using 3x1 14 gauge steel tube, and the top piece is going to be 1/4 inch by 3 inch flat bar. So let's rock and roll. Here we go.